There were news reports earlier that the Defense Department was going to give a new medal for drone pilots. Now, I understand the drone pilots are not in the drones. You know that, right? They're unmanned vehicles. They're oftentimes here in the United States as the drones are flying over Pakistan, Yemen, Somalia, etc. And people are a little skeptical, like, really, a medal? In fact, it's a medal that's a combat medal. Interesting. Well, it just happened. Outgoing Defense Secretary Leon Panetta has decided to give the Distinguished Warfare Medal, that's literally the name of the medal, for, quote, extraordinary achievements that directly impact on combat operations but do not involve acts of valor or physical risks that combat entails. Okay, you think that's bad? Listen to this. The drone medal will rank above the bronze medal and the Purple Heart. Purple Heart's like when you get shot, when you get injured on the battlefield. You're sitting in an air-conditioned place in Tampa going, boom, boom. Extraordinary achievement? No. Look, you want to give them an office medal? Those apparently exist in the military, like, hey, great job in training troops, whatever it might be. I get it. They're part of the military and what they do is important. Don't give them the same medal that a guy who's risking his life in the battlefield gets. I mean, they've turned this whole thing into a joke, and part of the reason they do it is so that it makes it feel like, oh, no. We're not just, pressing buttons over here and killing people. No, this is serious work, and it involves bravery and courage. It involves a lot of things. So really, this involves bravery? You could say skill, you could say, aptitude, you can say a lot of things. But he's not in the battle. He's in Tampa. The Distinguished Warfare Medal. That's an absolute joke.